In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company information using QuickBooks, a powerful tool to manage your finances efficiently. We'll get started by heading over to QuickBooks. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL or click the link provided. Once on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll need to log in if you're not already. After you have access to your QuickBooks account, locate the company name displayed on the homepage. Clicking on it will take you directly to your company's profile settings. Now, you'll be on a page with several options to view and edit your company details. You should see an edit button next to your current company information. This is crucial because it's the gateway for making any necessary changes to ensure your records stay current and accurate, which is essential for maintaining trust and efficiency in any organization. Click on the edit button to begin the process. With the edit options open, you can now type your company name in the designated field. It's important to double check your spelling and capitalization here, as this is a key identifier for your business. Having incorrect details can lead to confusion in official documents and client communications. Just take a moment to ensure everything is accurate. Next, let's move on to updating your company logo, which plays an essential role in your brand identity. To start, find the edit button near the current logo or the placeholder icon if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on it, which will prompt you to choose a new logo file from your computer. Choosing the right logo is crucial. Opt for high-quality visuals that best represent your company's image, preferably a PNG or JPEG format for clear representation. Once you've selected the perfect file, you might need to wait a few moments for it to upload. After updating the name and logo, remember to save your changes. On the page, you should see the Save button. Click on it to ensure all modifications are locked in. Without hitting save, your efforts won't be recorded, and you may have to start over the next time you log in. Lastly, once everything is saved, click the Done button to exit the edit menu. This step ensures you're redirected back to your main dashboard with all updates successfully implemented. It's as simple as that. Regularly updating your company information keeps your business professional and up to date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more QuickBooks tutorials.